Top 3 Best Foods for Cats You Don't Know. Number 1. High-quality dry kibble. Look for brands with real meat as the first ingredient, no fillers, and balanced nutrients. Number 2. Canned wet food. This provides moisture and is often more palatable. Choose options with high protein content and minimal carbohydrates. Number 3. Raw or freeze-dried food. These diets can mimic a cat's natural prey and provide essential nutrients. Ensure they're from reputable sources to avoid contamination.